Here I have TECNO Pop 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the hotspot and tethering, and here you can enable your hotspot. Here you can adjust some of its settings, like you can change its name, you can change its password, you can change its security protocol, and you can also display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can set up one-time data limit. You can also turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected, and you can use it for USB tethering or Bluetooth tethering. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.